Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial series on Java programming. We will start from the basics and learn about Java, set up the environment to run the Java program, and gradually we'll move to the advanced Java topics and build some real-world applications. In this introduction video, we will see what is special about Java and where all it is used. Java was created in 1995 by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem, and the purpose was to allow electronic devices to communicate with each other. Today there are more than 3 billion devices that run Java applications, and these applications run on various platforms. So there are mobile applications, desktop applications, popular web applications like Netflix, Uber. There are many games that are also built on Java, and lot of other type of applications as well. Now, why to learn Java? First one here is it's easy to learn and simple to use. It's very fast and secure and powerful. So it's open source and freely available. You can download it on your system and start learning and make the applications free of cost. Being it free, it provides a lot of community support. So there have been a lot of applications that have been built over the years, and a lot of users have shared their experiences, shared their learnings. So there's a lot of information available about Java online. So if you run into issue, you can very easily find the solution for those issues online. And last one here is it can work on different type of platforms. So in this video, we learned about Java. In the next video, we will set up the environment on our computers to run the Java application.